Hey, happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. So that means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. For the Windows folks, I still use Windows here at the shop along with Linux as well. On your Windows machines, if, there's been a lot of discussion about SSDs and M.2s when they fail and that kind of thing. A good free utility I found on the Microsoft Store is a piece of software called CrystalDiskinfo. The version I installed was 9.8.0 times 64, the 64-bit version. It basically looks and finds the hard drives you have in the machine, whether they be M.2s, SSDs, even SATAs. And it'll give you a temperature reading, it'll have an interface with the health checks and things like that. It's not 100% foolproof, but it does kind of give you an idea how the health of that drive is and kind of give you some, tools to watch in case it's starting to fail or things like that, or maybe it'll give you a little warning before it does fail so you can back it up. Like I say, piece of free software. Give it a try. It might help, and keep an eye on the hard drive health in your devices out there. We are stocked with Linux and Windows here at the shop for back to school. Come on by and see us. We've got everything from a souped up T430 Linux laptop with the i7 quad core, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 240 gig SSD with Mint loaded on it, all the way up to a gaming desktop AM4 with a Intel B580 12 gig video card. So we're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and we're here Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and by all means, check out our YouTube channel for all our archive content. Y'all have a good morning.